I know people, when they eat pizza, a lot of people throw away their pizza crust, but I'm going to show you an option on what to do to turn your pizza crust into garlic bread, and maybe save it and enjoy it. Now you can use your leftover pizza crust. If you know that you're not going to eat it and you're going to throw it away, you can also cut it off before and just set it off to the side and use it for the garlic bread. This is how to turn your pizza crust, leftover pizza crust, into garlic butter bread. Take your leftover pizza crust and perforate it with the fork. Don't stab your thumb. Soak it in enough butter to cover the crust. Mix some garlic in the butter. A little paprika, put your butter and garlic in the microwave and melt it, turn it into a sauce. Looks like about 40 seconds. And it's melted. Pour it over your pizza crust. Get your pizza crust coated with it, both sides. If there's any pockets in there, you can try to get some of that butter inside those pockets. Okay, now put your pizza crust with the butter and garlic on it in the microwave for just a few seconds. A couple of minutes. Now let that cool down. Okay, now you turn your bland leftover pizza crust into some tasty garlic bread. Tasty garlic butter bread. I know a lot of people, when they eat pizza, they throw out their pizza crust, but I'm going to show you an optional. Pizza monster. Sorry about that. Looks like about 40 seconds and it's melted. Owie, gowie, McGowie, owie. It's okay. It's alright. No third-degree burns. I'll survive.